So today I'm here with one of the babes. You guys know this, RPGHair. So this is the bag that I got everything in. So, and as usual, you know, they sent one of their information pamphlets which has, you know, everything on hair care as it relates to the wig, and your girl is inside as usual. And yeah, so also their social media is listed, so you can check that out. So we got a little drawstring bag with the wig on the inside. So before I get to that, the only goodie that came in today's packaging was a flyaway taper. So for today's wig, it's been a minute since you guys seen one of these. I did a pixie cut curly one some time ago and been wearing it a lot. But guys, today we got a gorgeous 8-inch curly bob, and this one is with kinky edges. So you know, you can still go ahead and add your whatever tamer you want to add, and you could still give it a nice little curl in the front, or you could keep it kinky just like this. But you know, for the most part, the part that usually has a graduation, that's all of that is kinky. So it's like a nice little 1-inch spacing in the front. Looks pretty good. It's a natural color that we're working with, and curly texture, of course, and this is 180% in density. Also, it's a 13x4, so it's mostly 13x4 in the mid part though. Yeah, so it's also like a medium brown. You could go ahead and bleach and tint this further if you wish. And inside of the cap has adjustable straps in the back, and there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 combs for added security. But yeah, that's a pretty standard cap construction. You know, summer is coming, so the short hair, short wigs are definitely going to be trending, and we gotta pull our bobs out because what? Yeah, I love that. So this feels pretty good. It's pretty normal. It's not super soft. It's on the coarser side, to be honest. It's not that soft. I wish it was, but once we get it nice and juicy and wet, you know, it will kind of like tone that down and stuff. Yeah, so that's how that looks. Let's go ahead and jump into installing this. By the way, I always cut off this portion. It doesn't look cute if you know, bend your head over or turn your head, you're seeing this piece in the back. No, we need to cut that off, because I've seen a couple people wear their wigs with this still attached in the back. No, you need to remove it. You need to remove this. Okay. I definitely, you guys know how I feel about my short wigs, right? My short curly wigs. It's a whole different vibe, right? Now this does look a little bit different because of the kinkiness, but we gonna finesse this. This looks so good. It's really nice and snugged on the head. You know, very lightweight. Of course, you know, it's a short wig, and that's the reason why these type of wigs are definitely recommended. You know, can take a little shaping, but yeah, this is why these wigs are definitely recommended for like summertime. You know, time is definitely getting warmer, so yeah, some need to come out from the side there. So I'm gonna work on that, and then I'm gonna apply my glue and start gluing it down. But this, yeah, this looks so good. So let's get to installing. I'm gonna use like 1 layer of this glue. This is a glue I've been using since lately when I want a really strong hold. Let me tell you, I wear that glue you go carnival, and I had on my wig like at least 4 days after carnival. I never have really installed it, nothing. Was it 4 days? I think 3 days, because I had to take it out to put on another wig. Yeah, but it wasn't easy to come off. Okay, yeah. So when I was recommended to this glue, I was like, all right, let me try it. Let me just try it, because I'm still in search of finding like a really strongest glue I've tried to date. I watched one TikTok video and I was sold and never turned back. Strong glue. Strong. I recommend you getting the remover for this. I take my time and use oils or sometimes alcohol. But, you know, it's better to get the remover. So that's what I recommend. But listen, it's strong. Going on vacation, get this glue. Lace Be Gone. Not promo, by the way. I wasn't sponsored by them. No. So I'm just going to apply it once across my hairline, and then I'm going to, you know, apply it. And then once I'm done, I can shape the hair up, because like in the back here, there's just like this one piece that's a little bit longer. But, you know, you could go ahead and shape this up and just do anything you want. Tailor it however you want. So I did wipe away the makeup from the area that I'm going to be applying the glue. So you see a little bit of demarcation here. But don't worry, because we're going to fix that anyways. So the area that I applied my ball cap is already cleansed, you know, because you don't want to apply a glue on like an area that has product on it. So, you know, be mindful of that. I'm just going to do one nice layer, because listen, you see I'll be doing 2 layers. And yeah, and the time that I just told you guys about me wearing this glue, I only did 2 layers, not even 3. And it was that strong. And it dries on pretty clear. Not all the way, but give it 24 hours, it's melted. Melted, clear and melted. So I really can't complain. It's a really good glue so far. I only recommend to you if you have experience with using glue though, because if you don't, it's pretty strong. And I don't want you to go ahead and use this glue and then it end up ripping out the edges. Like, you have to, or just, you know, get it and probably allow a professional to install it and remove it for you. I'm gonna get my elastic band and I'm gonna tie that down real nice and use my blow dryer on cool air to get this really nice and melted for like maybe 2-3 minutes. Grabbed it perfectly. I'm feeling really good. You see the kinky edges? Clean, nice, precise install. I love how the style is just so natural. Oh my gosh. And you guys know, if you have any free edge area, you can always go back under that with a little bit more glue if it needs more. So you can go ahead and press that down because it's clear. Once you apply a light layer, you don't have to worry about how long to press it down. You can just go right ahead and get to it. Back in my lasting spray. This is how we're looking, super kinky in the edges. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna define this a little bit, so you know everything can look a little bit more precise. If you want to go ahead, you could rock it just as if you're not into the whole edge vibe and you like a natural edge, you know, especially since this is a curly wig. It's all up to you. The hair is really nice and full, by the way, like really nice and full, you know. It looks so natural, you know, like when you had your hair in braids, like that is the curl pattern I'm getting here. Like, it looks really natural, guys. Let me know what you think. Like when you literally pull out your hair, like you got a cut recently, you went ahead and braid up the hair and you just unraveled it. Like, that's the exact vibe. So I'm gonna get my gel, and this is gonna give us some real nice like curls here in the front. So you could like wrap it around your finger and just kind of like play with it. See how you want it to be. If you want it to lay, then lay it, but I'm kind of like seeing how it looks.
Sorry, stop brush it out now. Okay, brush and take out the wall of the curl out there all the time.
It doesn't curl.
Make it stay so, make it stay so. It's I look, brush down and brush out the pattern out there.
Oh, brush out the pattern, okay.
The curl out there.
Well, the pattern. I cannot.
And then I'm on it now, it's straight.
It's not going to be straight. Yeah, this is it. Just water, you know, so it will get back that volume. It's so nice, guys. You see the curly edges? I didn't do too much, but you know, I just got it nice and defined and kind of like, you know, swoop. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You can just like leave it be in its very kinky state, or you could go ahead and do the initial defining process like I did, or you can just do your whole edges like I did here. It's so nice. And it really matches the curl pattern once you did the curl pattern of the rest of the wig. Once you kind of like define it. Oh my gosh, this is a perfect curly bob for summer. RPG hair, you did it again. Okay, you did it again because this is beautiful. It's just, it screams fun. You know, it's lightweight. It's cute. It's like, yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. So let me know what you guys think. This is it for today's wig look. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig as well as the specifications in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. Yeah, first short curly wig of the season. Loving it. Yeah, so that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up for yourself.